future of Excelerate is an exciting one that will change the way countries access energy.
What's up, you guys? My name is Jose and welcome back to the IPO Nerd, the best place to learn about new companies going public and how to invest in them. America's #1 IPO news channel. So today we're going to be looking at Excelerate IPO that is happening next Wednesday, guys, April 13. If you'd like to learn about new companies when they go public and all that, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. And let's learn about this company because it's very interesting. Before we do that, let's go ahead and check out what's trending in the news of the stock market right now. All right, so this week, Kathy Wood says that banks have a big problem thanks to crypto. According to her, a lot of people are actually deflecting the banks and going away from the dollar and going towards crypto, which I found very interesting. If you don't know Kathy Woods, she's the lady over at ARK Invest. She hasn't done very well this year. Her companies are actually taking a beating. Also, as inflation bites and America's mood darkens, higher income consumers are cutting back too. Even people that are making money are still cutting back on restaurants, going out, vacations, and all that, perhaps in fears of another pandemic or because the steaming is over. And that was your 1 minute trending news stock market for the week. I found that very interesting. Let me know if you agree with her or not. Do you hold any crypto? Me, myself, I do not invest in crypto, right? But I do invest in IPOs, and that's what we're going to look at next. Excelerate is a company focused on providing flexible liquefied natural gas or LNG solutions to emerging markets in diverse environments across the globe. This company right here is very similar to other companies like the ones that I own, like Pembina and Enterprise. Fun fact, LNG is the cleanest burning fossil fuel, emitting 55% less carbon than comparative coal plants, making it a natural complement of a cleaner energy mix. In 2003 is when the company was founded. They have 909 employees. They are looking to raise $100 million in this IPO. Their share price is going to be anywhere from $21 to $24 per share. They are IPOing on April 13. And their ticker symbol is going to be EE. So I'll leave this up here for a second if you want to take a screenshot real quick. And that was your IPO details. Are you an IPO nerd? Join my Patreon for extra perks and shout outs. Also, learn how to create and promote your own brand with my marketing masterclass available now. Link in the description. Let's check out this video from the Excelerate website where the CEO explains everything the company does.
Since introducing the industry's first FSRU in 2005, Excelerate has set the pace for opening new markets for LNG. From Boston to Bangladesh, we have delivered reliable and clean energy to markets across the globe, developing and operating 13 LNG terminals worldwide. Our mission to solve the lack of widespread access to clean energy is what continues to drive us. And it's through this drive and immense focus that we have leveraged our unrivaled experience to streamline solutions for customers across the globe to access natural gas. The future of Excelerate is an exciting one that will change the way countries access energy, one that will include growth and opportunities, and one that will empower countries to achieve energy independence and fuel economic gains. No one should go without power. Excelerate Energy is the one partner that can deliver real energy. With the largest portfolio of floating LNG terminals worldwide and a track record of safely developing and efficiently operating complex projects around the world, we are the leader our customers count on. Rooted in our core values of stewardship, accountability, improvement, and leadership, Excelerate Energy will continue to deliver safe, secure, and reliable energy through our gas and power projects. From our onshore to our offshore team, we take pride in what we have achieved and seek to accomplish in the future. And while the future of energy is changing, our commitment to delivering clean energy for the more than 700 million people without electricity is unwavering. The future of decarbonization is here, and Excelerate Energy is the one partner you can count on to open new markets and deliver real energy.
Now, if you're wondering if we're going to look at the S1, which you are, in this little segment I like to call By the Numbers. $2.3 billion in market cap, $2.16 billion in total assets, $1.29 billion in total liabilities, $549 million in revenue, $42.9 million in net income, and $74.2 million in cash and cash equivalents. So I do like that the company is making money. They have nice revenue. They're also profitable with a nice net income. So I'll leave this up on the screen for a second if you want to take a screenshot. And that was By the Numbers. This is your S&P 500 weekly heat map. All right, so you can see right there, it's pretty much 50-50 this week. We have half of the tiles over here in red and half in green. If we look at the technology tiles over here, you can see that Microsoft was down almost 2.5%. NVIDIA was actually down almost 12%. That's a big hit on tech for this week. A lot of red on tech. Also a lot of red on financials. You can see right there that Berkshire Hathaway was down, JP Morgan and so forth, Bank of America, almost 5% down this week. The ones that did thrive this week were the healthcare companies right there. If you are in healthcare, you were looking pretty good this week, your portfolio. J&J almost up 3% and Pfizer almost up 7%. So overall, I would say, 50-50. Depends on how heavy you are in tech. But that was right there, your S&P 500 weekly heat map. So guys, should you invest in the Excelerate IPO that's happening next week? Well, I really like the numbers. It makes sense. It's a little bit expensive for my taste, $21 to $24. But I'm still going to give this one a big thumbs up, guys. It's a great company, great team behind it. They're providing a lot of opportunities for people that, without power and all that. They're delivering LNG all over Brazil and Bangladesh and all that. So just a great company, and the numbers make sense as well. Now, make sure that if you got some value out of this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel, because as you can see, a lot of things are changing quickly for this channel. And I'm trying to bring you as much value as I can every single week. That's my promise to you guys. So, big thumbs up for Excelerate IPO, but hey guys, that's just my opinion. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not investing in financial advice. So make sure you do your own research and let me know what you guys think in the comments below. As always, guys, if you like this video, make sure you drop a like, subscribe to the channel. But more important than that, make sure you take care of yourselves. And I'll see you soon.
I bring up the pain, Rickosaurus the mind. I make the market rain like acid rain. An investing channel you ever known, y'all. I take your girl, your house, your money, and leave you broke, son.